What's going on, everybody? How's y'all doing today? Just finished doing a video. I wanted to do this other video because I wanted to show you what I purchased the other day from Harbor Freight. Yes, now you guys know, if you've been watching this channel, you may know, let's just go there. You may know that one of my favorite tools, particularly for the garden, particularly for the garden, is the pickaxe. Let me go grab it. This right here is by far my favorite tool in the garden. This thing can dig up a weed in no time, a no time flat. Right through here. Now, I don't really use the pointed edge all too much, but this flat area can dig up, it can dig up anything pretty much. And it's heavy enough to break through rock. Not the hard, we're talking slate. That's what we got here, slate rock. It's hard enough to break through the slate rock, and it's hard enough too to dig around a rock, depending on how big it is, and muscle that thing up out of the ground. So this is one of my favorite, if not the favorite, garden tool in my arsenal. However, this is what I just purchased from Harbor Freight. I'll be right back. This is my number 2, Blight Owl. This is my number 2, a tiny mini mead of the pickaxe right here, Harbor Freight. This thing is awesome. I ain't gonna lie to you. It's about the size of a hammer, but instead of the hammer head, you got the pickaxe head. Okay, and I'm not sure how much I paid for it. Yeah, I'm not sure how much I paid for it. And it's got a little weight to it too. So when you are swinging it, it gets in there. It gets in there. And when I mean getting in there, I mean it gets in the dirt really well. And it grabs the weeds really good. It scoops right underneath the roots. So it has enough weight to give that power to get down in the dirt. So this thing here, man, and see, the reason I bought it is because my wife, okay, she uses this thing quite a bit. She will use this, okay, but this thing, it gets heavy. I ain't gonna lie to you. If you got a lot of weeds to do, or if you got an area to prepare to get rid of the grass and stuff, this thing will scoop right under the layer of the grass and pull up the grass, the sod, if you will. That's the purpose of this flat. It gets underneath the sod so you can pull it right on up. This thing will get heavy, and it will kind of do a work on your back, to be honest with you. I'm not sure what the weight is, but I want to say it's like 5 pounds. I'm going off the sticker here. So I'm just going to say it's about 5 pounds, okay? Not too heavy, but it can get heavy. This is what my wife can handle a lot easier than what she's got. All those other things that she's got, those little bladed things that ain't got no weight to it. It's the weight that actually is the yes. That's what you want, the weight. I think this is 1.5 pounds, if I'm not mistaken. Well, that's what you want. So she uses this thing all the time to get weeds up, and I'll use it to get around areas that I can't use the big one, the big pickaxe. I'll use this, and it does just as good. It's heavy enough to where one swing or 2 swings, boom, you are underneath the roots. So I tell you, I really like this thing, and it's got the rubber handle for comfort. Like, that really is comfortable. To be honest with you, it ain't no more comfortable than any other handle, but it looks good. It looks good. You got the plastic. This is a plastic, but yeah, this baby here, it'll do some damage. It'll do some damage. So if you head by Harbor Freight, and you see one of these little things and you need something in the garden to grab hold of some weeds and things of that nature, this is your boy. Now, I will say this, the pick on this thing is thin. Okay, I really don't use this end for anything. I usually stick with the flat, but we have this thin. Now on this little one, it's wider. It's not as thin as this, as you can see. So that means you can use this to really get in some tight spots and lift up, boom, and lift up. Yeah. So that's what you got. Daddy and son. Anyway, I'll holler at you guys. Harbor Freight, I can't recall the price, but if you want a small little pickaxe, something you can manage that ain't too heavy, this is your guy right here. I'll talk to y'all in the next video. Peace.